HealthWish is a series of conversations about the state of healthcare in New York City's fabulous fifth borough, Staten Island. Our goal is to raise issues, raise awareness, and raise health. Because when we raise health, we raise everyone. Northwell Staten Island University Hospital, along with Northwell Kids and Families, are a proud partner of the Staten Island Children's Museum. Listen in as Jennifer Dudley, Deputy Director of the museum, explains all that you can enjoy in a day. Give it a listen.
Hi, I'm Jennifer Dudley. I'm the Deputy Director at the Staten Island Children's Museum. We are a resource for children and families throughout the region, offering 10 interactive exhibits and a variety of creative performers and craft workshops. We also, in the summer coming up, we have summer camps every week, a different one. So be sure to check our website where you can sign up for our summer camps. And you all can also buy tickets. We're open Wednesday through Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., and many school holidays. We have 10 interactive exhibits. We have construction, we have bugs and other arthropods, we have Portia's Playhouse, we also have big games and a wonderful Sea of Boats playground where we have a new fishing pier that you can experience. We also in the summer have a series called Boogie Woogie Wednesdays where we bring in cultural performers to lead our children in dance, and everyone participates, parents and kids. It's a very fun way to spend a Wednesday afternoon. Check our website at sichildrensmuseum.org. You'll see our calendar there, which has the daily activities, which include different walk-in workshops. Every month we have a different theme. And also you'll see when school breaks are happening, we always have a whole week of fun happening. The other things you'll see on our website are updates on our schedule and camps that we're offering, such as summer camps and also school break camps. So those are good reasons to check our website.
HealthWish wishes to thank our special guest, Jennifer Dudley, Deputy Director of the Staten Island Children's Museum. We're very interested in your health wish. Contact us at healthwish@northwell.edu. Thanks for joining us. We hope to see you again soon.